YouTube. What's good, gang? We are back with another video. Appreciate all y'all for tuning in as always. If you haven't already, go hit that subscribe button, like, go share it, all that shit. But with all that being said, let's get into it. So today we just got 2 packages, which I am very excited about. Let me show y'all. So yeah, we got one big ass box and then one little box. 2 packages today, real important packages, honestly. I'm hyped. But yeah, can't wait to open those up. Of course, it's more car parts, as y'all see in the title. But before we get into that, gotta go to Michael's real quick and grab some wrap. So we finna head there and just grab that shit real quick. Hopefully they got some more left. But then after that, we can get into what we doing today, as y'all see by the title. But yeah, let's get it. Oh. I'm not gonna lie too, today is hot, but it's not like hot how it usually be, like 115 hot. Like the sun not out right now, so it feel good as fuck, but it's still hot as fuck. I'm glad that it's like that, cause we don't have to be working in such treacherous conditions, dog. When the sun be tweaking, dog, that shit, as y'all see in all my videos, how I be sweating my ass off. That shit's so annoying.
Parked the Maybach on the block in the West End. Been a long time since I slept at the Western. Check my complexion, I'm black as the street. I don't get checked walking in with the heat. Got a 488, I'm the first from my town with it.
Man. Alright, gang. This should be quick. Should be in and out. I'm only coming here for some wrap. I need some more white wrap. Redo my stripes. This is where I come get my vinyl when I'm not trying to wait on the Amazon shipping, which sometimes don't even be that long. I'm just impatient. Sometimes I don't want to wait, even if it's just a day. Yeah, I think this is what we need right here. Alright, so we got our vinyl. Now let's head back to the cribbo. Kinda mad I forgot my water, bro. You cannot be forgetting your water out here in Houston, dog. That shit is like a sin. We got an M2 behind us. This shit is funny as hell. Nigga damn near finna run into my shit. Alright, gang, so we just pulled back up to the crib and now we get to open these boxes. As y'all see by the title, I ordered the Widebody lip finally. I'm kind of nervous about opening it. That's the only reason I told y'all what it is before I opened it, because I'm real nervous. You know, I order shit from eBay and you never really know what you're getting from eBay, just like kinda from Facebook. But basically I ordered the Widebody lip. And the reason I'm kind of nervous is because there's 3 tiers of kind of like pricing, like one like affordable, then like kind of like affordable, and then just outrageous. And of course I went with just the affordable one because I didn't think it made sense to pay more if this is the same thing, you know what I mean? And sometimes companies are like that on eBay. You'll find products and you'll see that one company selling it for like $300, another company selling it for $600. It could get that drastic in difference. But if you don't do your research and really look around, you might just be the person clicking that 600 and paying it, like thinking that's the only one. But yeah, basically I went with the cheaper one, and yeah, I'm kind of nervous about it just because it is the cheaper one. Also, you really can't tell in the pictures what lip it is. Like, of course, the Widebody lip, it looks sort of like the one that comes on the Hellcat that doesn't have the curves. If the Widebody lip has to be that square lip with that corner piece sticking up. And if it doesn't have that, then it's kind of like I wasted my money, you know what I mean? So we're hoping that this is a good product and also that it goes on right, because you know how these aftermarket products be. But let's just open this box, see what we got, and yeah, let's get to it.
Stepping real hard in the socks fitted. All the key king gon' get your little mouth knitted. Sewn up, still the same nigga, just grown up.
Oh man. So yes, it is the Widebody lip. Oh shit. So yes, as y'all can see, We do have our little crease up here, so this is the wide body lip. Our little scoop, a little table right here. We could place like a little plate right here. It's a fat lip, but yeah, we got the wide body lip finally. And now I gotta wrap this hoe, cause I mean I could leave it like this, but I kind of want it to be gloss black like the rest of the car. I don't know, I miss having my old setup before I had the wide body bumper. I had gloss black my whole lip plus the other lip that I had ordered. So this time I'm trying to do the same thing. I'm just trying to gloss black the lip, get that look back. So yeah, I gotta take this bumper off again. And I really don't want to do that, but shit, it's looking like we have no choice. Gotta take the bumper off, and then I gotta wrap this lip. So gonna get all of that done and try to get this installed tonight. But yeah.
Niggas said they gon' do it, but ain't showing up. Who's talking that shit, nigga, on up. I spent $4 million on jewelry. Yeah. So for folks to be saying I'm broke, man, that shit is foolery. I think that.
Alright, gang, so we got the lip all wrapped up and stuff. Now I'm finna take a break because I'm hungry. But when I come back, we're gonna get this lip installed. I got a little bit of worry because I didn't really want to take this bumper off again, but we don't got no other choice, honestly.
They want me to get on the coonery, start splurging on niggas and flexing. Who the fuck asking these niggas up? Who the fuck treating them like they're exit? And my crib don't sit far from the exit. You don't smoke where I'm at, you can find it. I should be scared of who? Remind me.
So yeah, gang, we got the bumper off. As y'all see, now we finna just attach this new lip to the front bumper and just throw this bitch back on. It's been a process, but we're moving.
Niggas be scared on guidance. Like Osama, I'm changing from Gandhi. Man, I'm on it, I'm stepping on next. On my way, if you see it, I'm vexed.
Alright, what's good, gang? We are back at it. And of course, we reached the end of the night. I had to fucking take a shower and everything, cause bro, I was sweating in that hot ass garage trying to get that shit on. But yeah, I got it wrapped, I got it installed, and I put my stripes on it, so I'm ready, I'm good to go. No more lip problems, and I completed the wide body kit. So yeah, I would say if you do the wide body kit, definitely get this lip because it helps the fitment of the wide body kit so much. So when I put that lip on, it made everything like kind of fit smooth, if that makes sense. Like it looked like how it's supposed to look, and I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But yeah, if you do want to do the wide body kit at home by yourself, make sure you get the wide body lip as well. So I got the bumper separate from the wide body kit. You can get the wide body kit with the bumper and the lip and the fenders, but that shit's like a rack, I think, and I ain't really feel like paying that shit. So I've been really doing this shit piece by piece. I got the fenders first, and I got the bumper, and now I have the lip, and we have completed the kit. So I'm finna show y'all that. I really was gonna wait till tomorrow, but I'm finna go to the gas station, take some pics real quick, just to see how it look, and might as well show y'all while I'm doing it. So yeah, finna B-roll this shit real quick.
Cause I know we gonna fight, that's the way that I know that the love is gone. Cause I know we gonna fight, that's the way that I know that the love.
Alright, gang, so yeah, that was the B-roll. I hope y'all appreciated the video. Definitely stay tuned for more installs, because now we really finna get into performance. I've really completed the whole body kit. I'm really done with the exterior, unless I get a wrap or some shit. But yeah, we finna get into some performance shit, so y'all stay tuned for that. And make sure y'all go subscribe, go like the video, share, and I'll fuck with y'all next video.
Keep all my trusted bad hoes in the back. Wanna get more bitches, wanna hold racks. I'm not the same as these niggas, that's facts. But I'm